remember. Helen, if Amelia refuses...
Oh, honey.
Genovia will cease to exist.
Oh, I'll show it to you later. You can't see it now, honey. I'm taking video.
Look at Daddy.
Tickle you?
What you doing?
Terrible.
What you making? Making tea. Oh, that's like tea too. Oh, how too.
Help him. Help him. Hey, watch out for my foot with the chair, man.
Be careful, Cody.
Get out. Yeah,
Just wait.
get out.
Watch out, Cody. Watch Daddy's foot.
Okay. Now what goes? I want to put this.
What? Don't touch it. It's very hot.
Why you put silver?
Don't touch it, Cody.
Cheap tea in there. Very small bags.
I want to put them in.
Alright, Craig, put milk or something in that thing.
Yeah, come on, Chloe. Let's go inside.
No, I want to put them in.
It's too late.
Too late. It's already.
Come on, get down.
When I make more, you can make it for me, okay? Tomorrow.
You scare me. Stop hitting Mommy. Not cool.
Daddy's gonna tickle me.
I don't have a family.
Daddy's gonna tickle you?
Ha.
You ignored me for 15 years and you lied to me. Families.
I'll show it to you when I'm finished.
That's the handball.
Sing for me. It's in the wash. Sing for me. Sing and dance. Yeah, go ahead, Cody. Do ring around the rosy, a pocket full of posy. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Very good. What? What? Huh? Packing? You got 2 backpacks. You got 3 backpacks, actually. You got, let's see, here's the Batman one. And then here's your Thomas the Train one. And then your other one with the chair on it is inside. Look at all of these toys. No, honey, it's time for bed, so don't start taking all your toys out. I'm letting you stay up for a few more minutes, but that's it. You don't start going crazy with the toys. You got a bicycle for Christmas. Do you like your bicycle? You want a green one? Okay, I guess we'll have to get you a green one for next year.
10 years from now, you're going to be having sex with your wife, and one of you is going to be asleep.
Hey, why don't you, no. Why don't you put away your tea party? Here. Here, Cody. Here, Cody.
Contact is so fast, you'll save time and money. So you can do things like join a club. The Satisfied Customers Club. 1-800-CONTACTS Savings Club. Order now at 1-800-CONTACTS.
did you just do? Go get it right now. Are you out of your mind? What did I tell you about throwing things, Cody? What is that? Let me see. Go ahead, put these nice.
Lord only knows what's gonna happen.
Say you're sorry. Okay. Can I have a kiss? Thank you. Say sorry. Come on, you know how to say it with an S. Say sorry. Try it again.
What brought you to this point?
To this point, as in this.
Try it again.
No. Yes.
Sorry.
Harmony is you're not just searching through pictures. They hone in on those key
Honey, what kind of a mess is that?
and meet your core.
You
values.
like it?
Look at this. Everything
It's
that I
a
was
mess.
there. When I found out it was just boom.
Review your matches free.
Where are you gonna put it? On your toolbox? Do you like your tea party set?
Vicks night milk, cold and flu. The nighttime sniffling, sneezing, coughing, aching fever, best sleep you ever
You
got.
want to make me a cup of tea? Oh no!
Suddenly into brushing. Introducing Oral Health from Me from Crest and Oral B. A complete line of oral care products specially designed for older kids. It protects the areas their dentists check in flavors and designs they'll like. They'll be brushing. Seriously.
Over 40 and can't lose weight? It's not your fault. Hi, I'm Suzanne Summers. As we get older, losing weight is a constant challenge. Bloating, belly fat, shifting hormones.
God bless you.
I've spent the last 2
What?
decades with a team of cutting-edge doctors.
No, I gotta glue that on.
Close to your ideal weight. Some of them will shock you. If you're over 40, you need to
Uh-oh.
I call it Sexy Forever. Get my secrets now at sexyforever.com.
Alright, well that's it. Say goodbye. I love you.
Bye. I love you.
Oh, I love you too.